A rational algebraic expression or rational expression is an algebraic expression that can be written as a quotient of polynomial such as x squared plus 4x plus 4. An irrational algebraic expression is one that is not irrational.
Before we continue, we will give some example of rational algebra expression.
The given is x squared minus 4 divided by x squared minus 2x. Ang una natin gagawin dito is to factor the numerator, which is tong x squared minus 4. Factor natin tong 4. Dito ay x plus 2 x minus 2. Punta naman tayo sa denominator, yung x squared minus 2x. Ang una natin dito ay x minus 2. Cancel natin itong magkapareho. And then matitirang sagot na lang natin is x plus 2 over x.
Another example of rational algebraic expression.
The given is x squared minus 9 over x plus 3. Ang una natin gagawin dito is kunin ang square root ng 9, which is 3. Kaya ilagay natin dito is x minus 3 x plus 3. And dito naman tayo sa baba, ikakopy lang natin yung x plus 3. Makakancel yung x plus 3 sa taas, kaya magiging sagot na lang is x minus 3.